Okay, start.
Hello everyone, today we the students of Future 40 are going to do a group discussion on the topic global warming. As you all know that the global warming is increasing day by day and we should reduce it. So we should plant more and more trees and support afforestation.
As we all know that global warming is occurring mainly due to human activities which are harmful to the nature. So for this we have to stop deforestation activities and also start planting more and more trees to reduce the effects of global warming.
Mostly, when it comes to talking about global warming, people generally discuss only the effects. But today, we need to discuss what we can do to improve this is a very bad situation, and at the same time also discuss why this occurs. So, global warming occurs due to mainly two reasons, which are known as El Nino and La Nina. These are two Spanish words and are some terms which are the main key reason for global warming. This is because in our Pacific Ocean, El Nino and La Nina make movements against the trade winds. This result in high heating and high cooling in particular areas. Like at some times Australia has drought, but at another point of time, Australia goes through floods. At the same time, if you go to a place like South America, at one time goes through droughts while at one time goes through floods. So we can say that El Nino and La Nina are the main reasons because of which global warming occurs.
As Bhumika said, we should talk about how to conserve the global warming. So the first step is we can take to, as like it is very hot outside. So everyone are placing the air conditioners. So we should keep our air conditioner on stable temperature, which is like 25 degrees to 27 degrees, which will keep our rooms cold, and at the same point it will help to conserve the energy and will stop global warming.
We should do the less use of refrigerators because the gas which is coming out from the global warming.
I would also like to continue with Ananya and Anushka that we should also stop using the smoke producing vehicles like motorcycles and car. Instead we should move from moving barefoot. So like this we can also reduce the effects of global warming.
Okay, so I believe that we cannot decrease the use of the basic necessities of our life, like for example washing machines, refrigerators, etc. But like Riddhi and Ananya said, air coolers, ACs, air conditioners, and like Ananya said and like Riddhi said, motorbikes, these can be reduced. Because if we go back in time, like 10 years back, people used to use air coolers to reduce the heating effect. But when we come back to time, at today's time, people prefer using AC only. So this is a major reason why the heating effect is increasing. So it would be the best if people rather than using AC, go and plant more trees in their neighborhood. This will provide them a high cooling effect and will make them feel better and at the same time reduce global warming.
I would like to add on some point with Bhumika that global warming has now become a social issue or the world issue. So we should plant more and more trees, and I said ACs we should keep on the stable temperature. We should not use motorbikes, and as Anushka said, we should walk barefoot or we can use cycling. So by this all I would like to end this. Thank you all.
Finish that.
At last, I want to finish it by saying that instead of the vehicles which produces smoke, we should use electric vehicles, which are now a very good thing, which we can use to decrease the global warming. It decrease the pollution also. We should plant more and more trees, and we should do whatever we can do to decrease the global warming. Thank you. That's all.